If you wanted to know how to change the time in a Land Rover model, here is a short how-to video for you using the touchscreen in a Range Rover. Firstly, you're going to want to go to Settings. From there, you need to select All Settings. Then General up at the top, and then you will see the option for time and date. In here, you will be able to make all of your alterations. You can choose if you want to view the time in 12-hour format or 24-hour format. You can also choose if you want the time to be done manually, or if you select Automatic on, it will then pull using the GPS. In manual mode, you can scroll through the times and select the one that you want. You can also change the date and the date format, say if you prefer to read it in month, day and then year. And that's it. If you do have any questions or need any assistance, please do get in touch and our team at Stafford Land Rover will be happy to help.